It looks so good! It's hard to believe that just a few months ago, we were trying to imagine what Venture on Marlette could look like. And here we are now with the completed look for Venture on Marlette. From the entrance, you'll notice a lot has changed. The whole property has had a facelift, starting with brand new paint. We wanted something that was modern, high contrast, and refined. So throughout the property, you will see a black and white theme complemented with wood to add warmth and give it an organic element. Here in the front, we have altered what we have affectionately called the birdcage, so that it is even more opening and welcoming, flanked with new trees, while still providing a visual point for the entrance. We finished it off with grass, curbing, and landscaping to refresh the front elevation. We relocated the nice new mailbox from its previously awkward spot in the middle of the front breezeway. In the courtyard, you'll notice we followed the new paint concept. We have replaced all of the old blue railing and added new fencing to separate the courtyard from the new redesigned parking lot. Cladding the stairway wall with the same natural wood as the new fence and railings allowed us to transform a former eyesore into a prominent feature. Using turf, landscaping, and stone, we created a whole new look, complete with our favorite string lights. We wanted interiors to be just as intentional as the design for the exterior. New paint and flooring provided the clean foundation, allowing our innovative black doors and modern light fixtures to really shine. We replaced cabinetry, appliances, and added the washer-dryer stack. High-end backsplash, chrome door hardware, and the unexpected chandelier provides a curated look. In the bedrooms, we replaced windows and laid plush carpet. In 4 of the units, we were able to incorporate doors to a private patio, thereby increasing the rent potential for those units. Bathrooms benefited from all new plumbing fixtures, fully tiled showers and tubs, new hardware, and accessories.
With completing the renovation at Marlette, the property is now in a really good position. When we first bought the property, it was generating $950 per unit per month. And we expected that that would go up after the renovation. Now, as the renovation is completed, we're expecting $1,600 per unit per month. That's about a 68% increase. And that puts us in a really good position to sell the property to the next owner, as it's generating really strong cash, and it's a property that they don't have to worry about for a long time.
I am so pleased with how this renovation turned out. This building had great bones. It just needed to be modernized and updated so that it fit in with the vibrancy and energy of Uptown Phoenix. We set out to create a great experience for guests and improve the look of the community while bringing in a strong return for investors, and we did that. That's all from here at Venture on Marlette. There is more work to be done, more projects to do, so until next time.